Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about how to use Google Classroom, a free application for teachers and learners. It aims to easily create classes, distribute material, and grade assignments in a paperless way. Teachers can quickly see who has or hasn't completed the work and provide feedback and grades right in the classroom. Let's see how we can set up Google Classroom. If you are using a PC, then go to classroom.google.com. You can use Classroom by logging in using your Gmail address. If you are using your smartphone, then you need to install Google Classroom app from Play Store. After installation, this screen will appear. Press the button Get Started. Now this screen will appear. Click on the plus button. In the right upper corner, you will see two options: join a class and create a class. Choose for create a class. Here you fill in some detail about your class. Write down class name, section. The class name should be the title of your class. Then click create. You can create more classes by using the same plus button. Once you have created your class, you can invite your students by using any of the two methods. First method is to invite your students one by one by entering their Gmail address. For adding students and teachers through this method, first press this button. Then click classes. Then people here, and then add students. This screen will appear. Here you can write Gmail address of students whom you want to invite. The students will get an invitation email. They can join the class by clicking join button. Second method of adding students is to share your unique class code. To find your classroom code, click menu. Then click classes. Your classes will appear. Then click settings. Here you will find your class code. See, this is your class code. This class code you can share with your students so that they can join your class. Now you can create your assignments and material and share with the students. To create your first assignment, go to classwork, click on create button and share your first Google Classroom assignment. Click on the title to see if any students have handed in the assignment and give grades and feedback. You can also return the assignments to your students if not satisfactory, so that they can start editing again. Now we will learn how to share questions with students. Again, go to classwork, then click on create button and share your questions. This. Questions can be short answer type, MCQ type, or you can also attach a Google form. You can also share your study material with students. Go to classwork, click on create button and share your material. Material can be in any form, like any drive link, PDF, any link, any file, or audio, video, PPT, or any other document. You can also share any topic and reuse your previous post in Google Classroom. Reusing post. So I hope I helped you a bit with taking your first step in Google Classroom. Thank you so much.